की khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
We shall fight, we shall win. Marching for our dignity. We shall fight, we shall win. For our rights and dignity. We shall fight, we shall win. Against this brutality. We shall fight, we shall win. Against this stunts and dignity. We shall fight, we shall win. For our rights and unity. We shall fight, we shall win. Oh, look who's marching. Oh, look who's marching. Oh, look who's marching. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. 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 Down, 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 down.
Kinuhikai joka school ba nehu ki badan hapok kshatri joka North Eastern Hills University Teachers Association bat ki samla puli ki badan hapok kshatri joka North Eastern Hills University Students Union haka arpun retorik urisau arjar arpulai kila dawai ki buat peniat benweng kamno Mardor ya Rohit Prasad ya ula syutunghi the Vice Chancellor ka school ba nehu Professor PS Shukla hapok ka office trekam jong klem dapat benai ka advertisement klem dapat long yak interview but klem da ya ketkum ki kandon trekam jongani school ba hakabaya dai bat kani nakaliang jong ki samna puli kila panlong da jinga ki da ba parta shla hakmat ka office trekam jong VC ban wengkam no Mardor ya Rohit Prasad President jong ka nehuta Professor Lakhon Kma hak jinga kran bat ki lat pathai khubor ula ong baga Joint Action Committee kan aipor hadu kapor khat arbaji menmiet jong ka arpun retorik urisau arjar apulai ban wengkam no ya Rohit Prasad henrai lem kumta ka Joint Action Committee kan panlong dak jingi ka bajur shu ulai thu baga Joint Action Committee kala dawa yu Professor Shukla dan pandam no Mardor ya kapus campus director belatung hapo katura campus henrai di bantung bedu pro vice chancellor kembajulong hi karukom katkum ki kandon trekam jong school ba nehu
Corrupted BC down, 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 down. Corrupted BC down, 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 down. Student unity, long live, long live, long live, long live, long live. Oh, look who's marching! Oh, look who's marching! Oh, look who's marching! Marching for future. To save our campus. Open our market. Open our market. SOT library. SOT library. Come walk with us. Come shout together. Come corrupt we see come talk. Come talk, come talk. Come corrupt we see come talk. Come talk, come talk. And now we see come act. Come act, come act. And now we see come act. Come act, come act. And now we see come act. Come act, come act. And now we see come out. Come out, come out. And now we see come out. Come out, come out.
Now what we demand is, we demand action. If we have problems, solve it. If you can't solve, we give you some time. Otherwise, please vacate the chair. Senior most professor will take charge, do whatever is necessary as per the requirement of the university. This has to be very clear. And let me be very clear. At no uncertain terms, I would say. So far, we see that the priority on academic activity is right at the bottom. And hence, I think this kind of gathering was necessary. And indeed, I have talked with Nihosu time and again and interacted that, maybe we have been good for quite a long time. And the honeymoon period of this VC is over. VC or as anybody who runs the institution, it is important to understand that your job is to make sure that academic activity is your priority. If academic activity fails, nothing matters to tomorrow. Jack is meeting in the afternoon. Maybe by 30th, if nothing happens by 30th, we are again going to assemble here, and I look forward to you all participating. But let's believe that good sense prevail. And if good sense prevail, this guy has to go right now. And I think let's be relentless in terms of our effort. We cannot allow wastage of money, and when we have so much dearth of money, if we were having surplus money, I won't mind. If you get the best of hostel facility, the best of internet, the best of Wi-Fi, the best of road, the best of footpath, the best of street light, best of chemicals in the lab, I won't mind.
Rohit Prasad ki thung ku technical advisor jong VC. Kata kali bangi yo jeng tiap bat om tang bangi bingi lai ki wat ki nong hikai ru la ria se kini issue kan la ria se kini issue bat la sharu kan don ka jeng ki nong hikai tengi ru slo di lang te mentang ni ya le bangi shuan ki students la sharu se join bat kini ki nong hikai te kani ka jeng thung bi ka long be ka balong bian ba namar ba claim advertisement claim conduct examination entrance ye karena kolong pian babat ka piskin ka jong linyuk san hajar te perkat linyuk san hajar pan syuthum bian itu dan akan yang jong hi te minum sha belle mentang singi ni syong biani hadu ba visi hi unwa mentang kidang liwat gitu sia shelu visi nomor man bingi hi hi visi ujabe te mentang singi ki imam hadu pun dawan visi hadu bau visi hi un batai na balai ka jam ni balai ka hostel ka long mundo balai ka SUT library kamyo shudu menta balai ki baru ki jah ni bat khamtam ya Rohit Prasad balai thung jubor te hadu pun dawan visi hadu pun batai na ini ning sem syukur ni la le yang ka marking system tama hadu menta kimpan ai juba mo kiong bomla le ye tama kimpan ai juba na bro te ka juba ka bagi kwa ka union kwa do nai be na makan long fair and square baru kum issue kum hostel issue pinpet multi bantik so layam kata kan ka bam ka bagi yo na hostel de kipun ki issue kum wifi issue nilai ki nilai ya ai ke memorandum nado menisdan banban nado katang wajangi hadu menta wifi kimle ye ki shuripies ne department hapor pempertat shuripies nado menta mengikwa ni debate new and improve wifi hadu menta kimle ban ka SOT library kala ada ka way na kibalong concern ba nomor ba igani ka central library kala jangai ba sebab kikina SOT kinwan shushi central library kala jangai ba de ngila ya protes ya kata nadu menu ngila ya pha shiti nadu menu hadu menta kata ka SOT library kam shimurlong
Andre kawai pada ban yutu Rohit Prasad kadai lasai menmet ngibo arfon retorik kharar beje menmet ka kod ka deadline nama khamtam kanile ka ba ha number uthung kam yoi breu klem dadon ka kikondon klem dadon ka advertisement klem dadon interview andre useu ushikit ka pisa kumyo posan hajar ai bat ka DA ai sa ka quarter mentali ka lapoi ka pot ba ka jack ka sim khia ba ya kane khamtam mentali gi khna khatoi beje menta ka sing kila sedang ka jingya khi kila simru ya kane ka mat ba deben weng bet center ni number kane ka kom thung kam long namar kakta yangi ki khamtam gi trai snong trai muluk namar kumutu breu ba kam ba ule bon gi khna jongi bon gi breu ki ba lalong eligible ki ba la ban trai ka kam hanre wan ra bi breu nabar ngimtip ka e ka daw namar dangi pe ka kam ba ile ngim sngowi habi e ka kam im ngi dangai pe le kum gi no hikai kum gi sang kum ga jak ngi ka ngim don kam ye hanre ngimtip bale visi bo le se dan ka e ke halandan bangingi suthu mentai mat don ke ere ke halandan ba laura khanang yone ban let's say ban pendep kita gi kam babu halandan ba ong yangi handai ngi menta suki ma gidang sotho ba ke kam takarang athrai ngi naga seng naga jak pat nagi ki jing kersan jong ka meta ka jing kersan jong ki khna ki seng balang ki we ngi ban bet ba yone ni ipod hado la simon met deben weng bet ladam weng namar hagasingi arfunyo tarik tamar lasisingi ngi don ka meeting jong ka jak Hakata ka meeting in rang in lekum do namar ka deadline jong bro artling ya haju ka por kawai je ban venyo Rohit ni bo sitio ban khod ya kene ka singi bo license ka kut chisam lasai ka tarik namar ladon ki shuti kini kita te license thik ni khang khaina ka singi ba long trai kam kan ki kam bi an la visi ba wan ne ero unum la ban scam namar ki dei kam bi an ka mentale ka lasai kadar ba ula persang ban warra i ki bro lajang ke ka jingun ngimtim ke ka don halandet ngimtim hanre ngi ngai skamba don ke kamtum le se hakini ki por wangi baya thung kam thung jam ngimtim ubri udon lang ba yang tu le se ngimtim ke ka daw tenga ngang don jingkermen ba le se ngidang don por habo le se arpsau genta tam yo rohit imat un hab weng hi lada weng ka jak kanang pen klanya kan ke jing ya khi jongi ngidang penjur ka jing ya khi namar don lat sudah kumbai bat pen weng hanre dala ladep ya kan ke wei ladep weng yo rohit hanre ki jing dawa jongi gidang bon ka academic council ka jak kan dawa be ki jing bha jong kan nihu namangi la yasno ktilang bat kan nihun sa kan nihu non teaching staff association namar ngitip ke jing dawa babon khamtam dam ngi pe potura ngi uthung do campus director nimtim dege boro ki Central University gidan jen sapu sautali tam hangno room judan kata campus don baju PVC tengi la dem ong kumno pintung oi new campus director hapo ga UC regulation tu arja khapraru don gum kata hapo university don baju VC lene PVC lada udon kam bentung hapo tura campus de bentung baju PVC laban bodo campus director nomor campus director kam don nongrime haka ordinance jongi imdon hapo ga UC regulation imdon hangno hapo ga re India badon ki Central University hangno pimni osmo ta campus director usu thau hi tagada yaga tarung ya banjur ba pideban weng lada pikwa bo do PVC hapo tura campus kumbangin dawa hasilong campus tu deban don PVC let's say hasilong campus ulaban ong don kam nomor senior most professor bali senior do nagi professor brokhai ude in charge la dam don VC tek mlele bonsen ki VC ki thung pro VC don ki VC pada ki ong M lele na mangala don senior most professor don kame hanre hatura campus u habweng hab penkelai kan ka campus director u hab thong hido PVC ni ya ka tarungi ban kumjo ne pe ki kam trikam hapo ni hu ki pe ni ki health center jongi ki dawai ki AKM don nimte ule eu usu sang be hanre ule chi ngimte ka pisa sine ar umra philai ya ne man kasngi pe ki srok jongi pe ki footpath jongi pe ka street light jongi ke romlong ki khana man tasngi ki akhi namar hostel ke kambiang kabam gadi kambiang ka wifi don ka library don hapo ka school of technology kita ki jinga ki student ki la sedang ni yu iba mde bangin jer wei hanri la bon kumno khasan ar putuli ki mat ki don ki ba hakong ki ba mat ki ba kongsan bangin don kam kum ka seng banya shim khia namar kane ga university ka de jongi